Ever wondered what you can do with just $1 on Binance? You may think that $1 isn't much, but in the world of cryptocurrency, it can open up a multitude of possibilities. Today, we're going to explore those possibilities and see how far a single dollar can take us on Binance. Firstly, you can buy cryptocurrencies. Binance is a platform that offers a vast number of cryptocurrencies to buy. With $1, you can buy fractions of larger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you can buy whole units of smaller cryptocurrencies. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies and start your journey. Secondly, you can use your dollar to learn about cryptocurrency trading. Binance has a feature called Testnet where you can practice trading without risking real money. You can use your dollar to understand how the market works, learn about different trading strategies, and get a feel for the platform. It's a valuable learning experience that can help you in the future. Thirdly, you can stake your cryptocurrencies. Staking is a process where you lock up your cryptocurrencies to receive rewards. Even with just $1, you can stake and earn rewards over time. It's a passive way to increase your cryptocurrency holdings. Lastly, you can participate in Binance's Launchpad and Launchpool events. These events allow users to invest in new cryptocurrencies before they are publicly available. With just $1, you can be a part of these exciting events and potentially see a significant return on your investment. In summary, there are multiple options for what you can do with just $1 on Binance. You can buy cryptocurrencies, learn about trading, stake for rewards, and participate in exclusive events. It goes to show that even with a small amount, there are plenty of opportunities in the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is full of potential, but it's also full of risks. Always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. So if you have $1 and you're interested in exploring the world of cryptocurrencies, why not give Binance a try? It could be the start of an exciting journey. And before we wrap this up, if you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and here's to your cryptocurrency.